Every engineer has this problem. We see a perfectly normal object and somehow our brain goes, can I redesign it? And today I had a very simple idea. Take this ordinary piece of fabric, t shirt, and turn it into something I would actually want to wear. But there was one condition: it had to be comfortable, it had to look cute. So before touching the sewing machine, I did what any engineer would do: define the dimensions. Because in sewing, there is one rule I have learned the hard way: measure twice, cut once. Because fabric doesn't come with control Z. And this was my first decision. How much fabric is actually enough? Too little and the design fails. Too much and suddenly I am making a mess. Now everything looked fine until I turn it over. And that's when I noticed my first design problem. The fabric was behaving completely differently from what I have imagined. It wasn't holding the shape properly. It wasn't looking like a proper shot. Honestly, it looked like accidental. Instead of abandoning the prototype, I decided to debug it. And this tiny change. So I changed one thing, and that tiny change completely changed the behavior. Now it could stretch, it looks cute, and finally it started to look like something. But there's still one problem. And now comes the part I actually wanted to test. Does my design work in real life? Because making something is easy, making something that actually works is the real engineering test. Let's test it.